Hello and welcome. My name is Liz, for those that don't know me. I have decided that I'm going to do a 7-day training series for you guys on Canva. So let's get started and jump in with our video. I'm going to share my screen with you, so let's go. Okay, so let's jump in and create a brand kit. So once you're at your main menu, you're going to click onto brand kit over here on the left hand side. As you can see, I have lots of different brand kits. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use them, but for now, we're just going to set one up. It's extremely important to set up a brand kit if you are designing lots of products, and you will find out why in the next video. So, in order to set one up, first of all, you need to have, if you're designing products all the time, you need to have Canva Pro because with a free account, you can only set up, so I should explain what I'm doing. With a free account, you can only set up 3 brand colors, and I don't think you can link fonts to your brand kit. So you're very limited in the free version, but in this version, I'll show you how it works. So up here on the right, it says add brand kit, and then you can give it a name. So let's just say test brand kit. Okay, and then once it comes up, you can, I think that's a little video you can watch about how to do it, but I'm going to show you so it's super easy. I can't even speak today. All right, so if you have a brand logo already created, you can link it here. So you just upload it like you would normally. Just click there and find the file wherever it's saved to. Then to add your brand font, all you need to do is click in here and add your fonts. So it's very important to set these up properly. So make sure that you are putting the one that you would like as a heading in all your documents as the heading style, the subheading style, and then the body style text. So make sure that you get them in the right order, as you will find out in the next video why that is so important. You can also upload your fonts here if you use fonts that aren't in Canva's font library. So you can just click here and then just upload the file. So over here with your brand colors, you can give your palette a name. Just click in there and start typing. And then to add your colors, you just hit the plus sign, this box appears, and you type in your hex code, or if you don't have a hex code, you can drag it around and find whatever colors suit. We're just doing a demo one, so let's just try and find a few colors. Actually look okay together. We're doing a bit of a rainbow here. That's my rainbow. Okay. So then you don't need to click save on anything. You just get back out of it and it will automatically save. So we called it test brand kit, is now down here. Okay. So that was all I wanted to show you in this video, but in the next video, I will show you why it is so important to have your brand kit set up. So set your brand kit up, and then let's jump to the next video. I hope that this video has helped you, and if you are enjoying it and you'd like to see some more, please like and subscribe and follow along with this series. I will drop a playlist at the end here so that you can find the rest of the videos. Have a great day.